Did you know digital currencies are revolutionizing the financial world? It's a bold statement indeed, but one that holds more truth than you might initially think. Today we delve into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Picture this. You're in a world where there are no physical banknotes or coins, no banks to hold your money, but instead a digital ledger where all transactions are recorded. This is the world of cryptocurrency. At its core, a cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that operates independently of a central bank. What makes it unique is the use of cryptography, a method of protecting information through the use of codes. This ensures secure transactions and controls the creation of new coins. You may wonder, how does one get their hands on these digital coins? It's through a process known as mining. No, it's not the pick and shovel kind, but a digital form of mining where powerful computers perform complex calculations to validate transactions. Once validated, these transactions are added to the blockchain, a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin. Now, you might have heard of Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency, but it's not the only one. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies available today, each with its own unique features and uses. From Ethereum to Ripple, Litecoin to Cardano, the list goes on. Remember though, as enticing as the world of cryptocurrency may seem, it does come with its set of risks. It's a volatile market, with prices that can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. There's also the risk of cyber theft, as digital wallets can be a target for hackers. To summarize, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and is generated through mining. While it offers a new way of conducting transactions, it also comes with its own set of risks. In the grand scheme of things, cryptocurrency is still in its infancy. However, with its potential to revolutionize the financial world, it's certainly something that's worth keeping an eye on. After all, who knows where the world of digital currency will take us in the next decade? So there you have it, a brief glimpse into the intriguing world of cryptocurrency. It's a world that's constantly evolving and one that might just change the way we think about money forever. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning.